In this video, you'll learn how to disable Webflow indexing for your website. This process is essential if you want to prevent search engines from indexing your site, ensuring that it remains private or unlisted. Begin by navigating to the Webflow website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Webflow homepage, which features options for creating and managing websites. Next, locate and select the site you wish to modify. This can typically be found under your projects or dashboard area. After clicking on the desired site, the interface will change to show various site settings and options. After that, find and click on the option labeled Site Settings. This action will direct you to a new page containing multiple tabs related to your site's configuration. Ensure you are on the correct page before proceeding. Now look for the tab that says SEO. Click on this tab to access the search engine optimization settings for your site. A new section will appear displaying various SEO related options. Once you are on the SEO settings page, locate the section titled Indexing. Click on this option to reveal the indexing settings available for your site. The interface will update to show specific indexing options. Find the toggle switch that allows you to disable indexing. Click on this toggle to change its state, effectively disabling indexing for your site. A confirmation message may appear, ensuring that you wish to proceed with this change. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.